Okay, hey my fitness family. Let us talk about calories and why you may not be seeing your results as quickly as you would like to see them, or sometimes at all. Now, I'm Chantel. I'm a certified personal trainer and a fitness nutrition specialist. I've been in the fitness industry for over 8 years, so I know a thing or two. If you have any specific questions about your weight loss journey or your fitness journey, definitely leave them in the comments below. Now, weight loss comes down to basics: calories in versus calories out. If you eat more calories than you burn off, you're going to gain weight. If you eat less calories than you burn off, you're going to lose weight. If you eat the same amount of calories that you burn off, you're going to maintain weight. I swear to you, y'all, it's basic math. And for those of y'all who are not friends with math like I am, trust me, I'm not friends with math, but this is the basics as it gets, right? This is like ABCs, 1, 2, 3, shapes and colors, right? Now, there is a misconception where, and I used to do it too, where it's like, oh, I just work out so I can eat XYZ, or I just work out so, I don't have to watch my diet too hard. No, y'all, I wish that was so. I wish that was the truth. I remember when I was in college and we used to do insanity. Me and my roommates used to do insanity workout, Shanti insanity workout. And I'm gonna tell you, if you guys never do insanity will make you burn calories. And I remember one specific night I was like, oh yeah, we should order pizza. We just did insanity, so we deserve it. It's not until I now know what I know, I realized that in that insanity workout, say we burn about 500 calories in that one workout. When one slice of cheese pizza is 250 calories. And we're not just eating one slice. So if you eat 3 slices of pizza, that's 750 calories. And though, yes, you just work out, you just did insanity, you burn 500 calories, you are still at a caloric surplus. Because 750 in pizza calories is higher than 500 calories in workout, in insanity calories. So me and my roommates, we were still at a 250 calorie surplus, thinking that's, oh, well, because we just work out, we can eat the pizza. And a lot of people have this misconception. Unfortunately, y'all, it does not work like that. In order for us to lose weight after burning 500 calories with insanity, if we had just ate 1 slice of pizza or no pizza at all, then we would have lose weight. And you can get so frustrated, because you are working out, you are going to the gym, you are being consistent, you are lifting the weights, you are doing the cardio, and you're like, God damn, I'm not losing weight. And for me, it was, I can see my endurance getting better, because when you start off insanity, and when the man a workout, and then he was like, okay guys, that was the warm-up, and you're like, y'all comment below if you ever did insanity workout. You're like, the warm-up? But then after a couple weeks, I realized, okay, I could get through the workout, the warm-up. I realized I was taking less breaks. I was getting stronger. My endurance was getting better. I could do a push-up, but the scale wasn't moving. My body wasn't moving. I wasn't looking no different. I was not losing weight. Could not understand for the life of me that it came down to calories. It's not until I realized that, and then I started being at a caloric deficit, meaning I was eating less calories than I was working out. That's when I actually started seeing results. That's when weight started dropping off, and weight started dropping off fast. Now, I wouldn't recommend anybody to be at a extensive caloric deficit. Like I was at, like, probably I was eating 1,200 calories, and weight was just, I was losing like 2 pounds a week, 3 pounds a week. The weight was just dropping off. At one point I thought I was sick. At one point I had to go to the doctor, because I'm like, am I okay? But it's because I wasn't eating enough calories. Now, if you say you serious about your weight loss goal and you just want to lose the quick 10 pounds, you want to jumpstart the quick 10 pounds, I would recommend go in a caloric deficit, do a quick fast, cut your calories, and you will lose the weight, but it's not something you'll be able to maintain. I can't maintain eating 1200 calories, especially since I work out. And that's another thing I want to touch on too. People can say, okay, it comes down to calories, so what I'll do, I'll still eat how I eat, but work out more. It is easier to eat less calories than it is to burn off calories. Remember what I just said? Shanti Insanity workouts, as hard as it is, burn 500 calories. 3 slices of pizza, cheese pizza at it, nothing special about a pizza. 3 slices of cheese pizza, 750 calories. How easy it is to eat 3 slices of pizza. I can eat 3 slices of pizza in less than 30 seconds. Come on now. Right? But you spend an hour on a Shanti Insanity workout and you burn 500 calories, still less than the three slices of pizza. And let's be real. We know we're not just eating a pizza. For those of y'all who like garlic nuts, like myself, I can't get pizza without getting the garlic nuts. And then, of course, you have to get a juice or a soda or something on the side. And then, of course, after you eat the pizza, if you for something nice. Say if I get a pastry, a dessert, way more than 750 calories. So that's just to break down how you could be going super hard in the gym. You could be doing your best. You could be actually working out, but you're not seeing, hold on, let me move up. You're not seeing your weight loss results. You're not losing fats because you're not paying attention to the calories you consume. MyFitnessPal is a great app that I use to track my calories. At this point, I've been doing it for so long, like it's automated for me. I know. And then again, counting calories is not something that you want to do like all the time. You go to your favorite restaurant and you have to check up like how much calories in this, how much calories in that. I know so there's calories in everything now. There's calories in ketchup. So, you really have to pay. And I'll do another video on really breaking down how to count calories, how to manipulate the calories. Like, you cut your calories one day during the week to make it up. If say you have plans on a weekend, little things like that you can alter. That's something I would do. Like if I know I'm going out on a Friday, so on the Thursday I'll say, okay, I go fast and skip breakfast, or I'm gonna eat a light dinner or something like that. And it comes down to mental. That's why I always talk about mental discipline on my channel. If you do not have mental discipline, you will not see your weight loss. You will not lose weight. That's also a whole nother video that I'll probably touch on at another time. But hopefully y'all take something from this video. Hopefully y'all learn about calories. As I said, when I started off with my fitness journey, this is something I didn't know. Unfortunately, I found this out years after. So hopefully this can help somebody, help one of y'all to find this out sooner than later. Start paying attention to your caloric intake and you will start seeing results. If you're getting frustrated with your weight, because it comes down to science, right? The laws of science. Just like with gravity, if you step off of one building, you're going to go down. No doubt about it. If you eat less calories than you consume, you are going to, if you eat less calories than you burn off, you are going to lose weight. All right? It just is what it is. Even the little obesity injection that people been getting, a lot of these people are losing weight not because of the injection itself, but because the injection curb your appetite. But if you were still eating how you eat to gain weight, if you were still eating in surplus calories, you still not, and to still take that medication, you're still not gonna lose weight. So that's why my thoughts on that injection medication, honestly, I feel like it's just a band-aid, because unless you discipline your mind and know how to be at a caloric deficit and understand the math behind weight loss, you're always going to be dependent on that weight loss, that obesity medication. But y'all, if you have any questions about anything, leave them in the comment section. What are your thoughts? Did you know about calorie intake? How far in your fitness journey did you find out about calorie intake? Thank y'all so much for watching this video.